All right, y'all, how we doing? We got another Hoka release for you. Doing a quick unboxing just to kind of go over this. We know the shape. This is the Tor Ultra High. Also have it in low. This is itemized as spice hot sauce, which is cool for sure, but to me it reads more like raspberry strawberry lemonade, which is a great summertime snack, as we all know. But yeah, so let me just hop into some things as we do here. I'm just gonna kind of go off of what I see and just call out some things that might not translate through photos, be able to see it in motion, and then also just kind of get my opinion on the shoe. So right off the bat, the highs obviously are gonna have a lot of ankle support, plenty of padding up here around the ankle, so I wouldn't anticipate a terribly difficult break-in by any means. The whole upper itself has a lot of kind of like leather going on with you know, man-made foams and meshes and stuff like that. So wouldn't anticipate a big break-in. That's the point I'm trying to make here. Got this super durable toe cap here and like a super hard rubber up against a very lightly nepped kind of dark raspberry color suede. Just super light on that texture, if you can kind of see here in the video. See how it does that thing, but I really like the contrasting yellow here in the Vibram sole up against this cushioned sole. It feels exactly like you would expect any other Hokas with a big beefy sole to have. Will have a nice roll to the heels when you're walking. It's nice to have some pull tabs in the back for easy putting on. Look at it from the front way. The laces sit really nice and clean. You can kind of weave them through the tongue here, so you're not getting your tongue sort of moving off to the side when you're walking. But yeah, we got a lot of different leathers, textures, colors playing with these uppers on the top, and then they're just kind of repeating it almost in a gradient from the sole going down. So those are the highs. Let me just also call out some of the stuff here on the lows. I personally love the silhouette of the low. I think it's the perfect mix between a you know, like a chunkier hiking boot, and then they translated it into a shoe, kind of like you know, it's a sneaker, but feels a little different. But I think it's the perfect chunk, especially if you're wearing like a wider fitting pair of pants. But you know, same situation. In this pair on the lows, it's interesting, they actually use a different color of the suede here on this upper, but it is perforated. It's gonna breathe nicely. Again, a lot of padding around here on the ankle. This heel counter does feel like quite sturdy. I don't own any of these, but I would reckon if you did, you could absolutely take these out hiking. Got a pretty aggressive tread here on the bottom. And yeah, same bouncy sole, same lacing system. Really not much to not love here. I think the colorway is cool. This would work well for me, I would say, with like, you know, greens, tans, maybe even black if you were to kind of lean into it and do a darker color scheme. But yeah, Hoka Tor Ultra High and Low in Spice Hot Sauce, otherwise known as Raspberry Lemonade. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Oh, hopping back in here just to say these release on Friday the 11th of August, coming up here. So if you're watching this video at time of release, they release end of this week. So keep your eyes peeled. Stay tuned on the website, on the Hoka page, and hopefully you can snag your pair.